Okay, on the count of three, everybody go, uh-huh. Wait till I get to three. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the short version. Okay, every time we jump and turn, we're going to say, uh-huh. It's going to keep us in sync. Take your right hand goes out. Left hand goes out. Right hand goes over, left hand goes over. Cross right, cross left. Touch your right ear, left side, right hip, left. Go 1, 2, 3. Jump. That's the whole dance. Okay, face forward. This is it. Ready on music. This is the Macarena. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Grab this little one.
When she dances, they call her Macarena. When you watch her move, you see what I mean. They all want her, they can't have her, so they all want to dance with her. Move with her, sing with her, and if you groove, she'll take you home with her. Can she two-step? Can she butt-step? Macarena, you got to be in the dirt. She's a girl that they call Macarena. She's the sweetest little thing that I've ever seen. She laughs and she giggles and she talks real sweet. I say, hey, Macarena. Now she's a girl that they call Macarena. She's the sweetest little thing that I've ever seen. She laughs and she giggles and she talks real sweet. I say,